Okay, the next thing is like in Linux, when you talk about Windows, we need to create directory files by just clicking the mouse, or like we can click the right head of the mouse, and then we have the options of creating folder, and it is very easy. But in Linux, the things does not goes in that way. Okay, then
Yeah.
we have to do everything using the command line. So what is basically directory in Linux, and how can you create a folder or directory in Linux?
So in Windows or Mac, we call it folder, but in Linux, we call it directory. So in Windows, we can just right click and we just create a folder. But in Linux, to create a folder or directory, we use the command MKDIR, which full form is make directory. So the command, like suppose MKDIR, after I specify the folder name, like suppose uh, directory one, and hit enter, then it will create a directory, the directory one.
Okay, thank you.